Nature is our playground. We must treat it with respect. Leave no trace helps us do that. It's about enjoying nature without harming it. We need to protect it for future generations. Leaving no trace is vital for preserving our planet. It minimizes our impact on the environment. We can all make a difference by following simple principles. Let's explore these principles and learn how to be responsible stewards of nature. 1. Plan ahead and prepare. Before venturing out, plan your trip carefully. Pack everything you need. Know the rules and regulations of the area. Being prepared prevents problems and minimizes your impact. 2. Travel and camp on durable surfaces. Stick to established trails. Camp on durable surfaces like rock, gravel, or designated campsites. This protects vegetation and prevents erosion. 3. Dispose of waste properly. Pack it in, pack it out. This includes trash, food scraps, and even biodegradable waste. Use designated toilets or bury human waste properly. 4. Leave what you find. Resist the urge to take souvenirs. Leave rocks, plants, and artifacts as you found them. Let others discover the beauty of nature untouched. Boy Scouts are taught leave no trace principles from a young age. They learn to plan their hikes and campouts meticulously. They pack their gear efficiently, minimizing waste. When hiking, Scouts stay on trails to avoid trampling vegetation. They pack out all their trash, leaving no trace of their presence. They understand the importance of preserving nature for future generations. Section 4. Tips for old school campers. Adapting to modern ethics. Old school campers may need to adapt their practices. Instead of digging trenches for tents, use a footprint or ground cloth. Pack a portable stove instead of relying solely on campfires. Carry a reusable water bottle and water filter instead of relying on disposable plastic bottles. These simple changes can significantly reduce your environmental impact. Section 5. Conclusion. Our legacy, a cleaner tomorrow. Leave no trace is more than just a set of rules. It's a philosophy, a way of life. By following these principles, we ensure that future generations can enjoy the same pristine wilderness we experience today. Every step we take leaves a mark. Let's make sure our mark is one of respect, responsibility, and a commitment to preserving the beauty of our natural world.